Just some inspections at the dam. If nothing surprises me, I'll be home for dinner.
Please be careful out there. I can see your speed on my screen.
All right. Fair enough. I'm being careful. I'll call you as soon as I'm done. Love you. Bye-bye. Hey Ari, what's the weather forecast for today?
Clear skies, 20 degrees, and wind picking up later.
Hey Ari, start water sample protocol.
Starting water sample protocol.
Hey Ari, log the water sample. Record 11 degrees Celsius,
pH level 7.
11 degrees Celsius and pH level 7 added to the report.
Hey Ari, take a picture. Send it to Niall. I found your friend's cousins.
Message sent.
Hey Ari, start thermal camera.
Opening thermal camera.
Add video to the report.
Video added to the report.
Hey Ari, call Nicole.
How's it going up there?
Hey, all good here. I'm almost done. Look at this view.
Wow, nice office you got out there.
Hey Ari, close the inspection and send the email report to William.
Sending inspection report to William.